I'm such a nerd. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Monica if you are new here. And yeah, hi. So guys, it is December 1st, so I came up with this really Christmassy, kind of like how the Grinch stole Christmas, especially like the eye look. Something you would see Martha May kind of like makeup look going on here, if I do say so. So yeah, every time I think of like Christmas, like the colors, I think of green and red, obviously. I think of silver, gold, glitter, just love it all. So if you guys want to see how I got this makeup look, then just please continue watching. Guys, there's like a white aura thing going on around me. Did I like die in my sleep or something and I'm a ghost? Guys, just ignore like the lighting, whatever this is. But let's just jump right into this. Okay, so I'm just going to take the Tarte Shape Tape, and I hate that I'm almost out of this. And yeah, but it is what it is. Just blend that out. I kind of know what eye look I'm going to do. I think I'm going to do something like a halo look. And I'm going to be using the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette. I love this palette. I definitely recommend it. I feel like the colors are just like so pigmented and just, it's a really good palette. And I'm just going to take that green shade called Moneybags, stupid hair, on a crease brush. And I'm just going to like just pack it in to like the crease and everything. Now, if you are new to my channel, I'm not that good with eyeshadow, obviously. But I've been like, or I have kind of a lot of palettes I've been trying to get good at it, and yeah. Daggone, this pretty much covered my entire eye. I'm just going to blend that out, some in the crease. Now I think I'm going to take So Bougie, you can see that. It's like a light brown color. Kind of use that to like blend the edges out. Now I'm going to go back in with Moneybags and just put that on the outer corner and inner and kind of just everywhere. Now I'm going to take this Stila eyeshadow glitter, whatever you want to call it. I think I'm about out of this too. And Smoky Storm, and just put it right in the center. So pretty. To intensify that eyeshadow more, I just took the Wet n Wild Mega Glow loose highlighting powder. I think it's called Written in the Stars. It's my favorite. It's actually a highlighting powder, but you know, use it for other things. And I just kind of put it over that eyeshadow. Now I'm going to go off camera and take the e.l.f. liner and try to do a wing. Pray for me. Okay, so the wings are done. They're not perfect, but it's okay. Now I'm not like completely finished with the eyes, but that was my father-in-law at the door. Anyway, I'm just going to take this Olay Complete All Day Moisturizer. You can see it. It's glowing too. Oh my gosh. I'm not like going out or anything today. But, so that's why I didn't use like an actual like primer or anything. This is just for like, oh my gosh, the base for my foundation, which I do love this moisturizer. It has some SPF and everything in it, so it's good for summer. Now I'm just going to take this Rimmel London, you can see it, foundation. I really love this foundation, and I'm just going to put it everywhere. Just gonna blend it out with this e.l.f. foundation brush. I started kind of doing like circular motions. I don't know why, but I'm blending out my foundation. I just have. It's raining. Now this foundation is just medium coverage, but you can definitely just build it up and just keep adding more till however much you want on it. Now I'm just going to take this Maybelline Master Conceal in light medium. Now I don't really know how old this is. I got it at like a Flealand, which is like a flea market. I know it kind of sounds gross in a way because it's like, but they get like some new products and everything. But I actually got this like whatever months ago or something. And let's just see how it does. I think I might like it. It definitely has like coverage, which I think is like camouflage. Yeah, like camouflage and concealer. Now I'm just going to take some Airspun powder, set that under my eyes, and watch it go everywhere. Just put it everywhere. Let that sit for like a few seconds and then I pat it in. Which I have been using like my sponge and just like pat it in some. Now I'm just going to mix these two bronzers, the Rimmel London Radiance Brick bronzer and the Wet n Wild contour one. I'm assuming that they still have this bronzer out. It has like some shimmer in it. It's pretty. Just going to put that. As you can see, they're both really pigmented, so yeah. If there's any like harsh spots, I just try to blend it out with the sponge. Gonna just bronze the normal places. Cheeks, jawline, forehead. Guys, I kind of just stopped like contouring my nose. I just didn't really like how it was like looking and stuff. I don't know, like, I don't contour my nose anymore. Just gonna take this powder from that palette, and I use the Dulce de Leche one. There's another palette too, I need to try it out. I think it's called something toffee. I'm just gonna brush all that away. Now to use my favorite highlighter of all time. This is the Wet n Wild highlighting powder. This is from their Zodiac collection. And I thought that these were like limited edition. But when I went to the mall recently, well, after I left the mall, I went to their Walmart that they have there. And they had some of it. Like, I just love it. I think since I am fair and everything, that, you know, that it's best for fair skin tones. Even when I am tan, I still love it. But I mean, you know, doesn't matter, whatever you are, you can still rock it. So, what I mean is like skin tone, by the way. Sorry if like that came out wrong, in a wrong way or something. Now, I think I'm just gonna mix the So Bougie color and the Money Bags. Just put it on my lower lash line. Now I'm gonna go off camera and apply some fake lashes. This is one of the Go Glam ones. And I really hate applying false lashes, but anyway. And I'll be right back. For lips, I just used the Kat Von D lipstick in Santa Sangre. I think this is just like a little sample mini size or whatever, travel size. And then I used this Smashbox red lipstick, whatever, like a metallic. I really love this as like a topper over it. Now obviously, like, this is kind of an intense look. Of course you can, you know, pair this with like a nude lip, obviously, instead of a red one. But since it is a Christmas look, why not? Now I'm just going to take this Hard Candy Longwear setting spray. Okay guys, so this is the completed look. Very Christmassy, very kind of Grinchy with the eye makeup. Ignore my hair. I decided to just put a cute little like boggin, whatever you want to call it, over it because just having a bad hair day. But anyway guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.